Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Radio. Just want to show you what I've been doing with this. 4 pans ready. Right. The car's not far off ready. The 4 pan's ready to have a little bit of rust here. See, so underneath there was this, and this is where the welds were. Right. So I drilled a couple of holes, bent it a little bit with my chisel, getting this off. So I did that because I was just going to pop it off. Found this little bit of rust here. So I'll cut this whole panel out. I'll bend a little curve on the end and I'll weld it in. I'll hammer finish it all. So this will get cut back up here, straight across. That'll get tigged in. That piece is all right. That's just a little bit that'll all get rust converted. So all the little bits rust. There's a little bit here. It's not thin. So I might just rust convert that as well. And that's it. It's a good 4 pan. I had a little bit, not rust, just surface shit. So yeah, so that's what I've got to do this Arvo, is drag out a motor from under the bench, and I will, because I'm not going to sandblast this, I'm going to cut it open, cut them off. I will work out how thick that is, and I've got my markings, and then that'll get welded back onto the floor. I don't know if you can hear the dyno. But yeah, that'll get welded back on. It'll be welded back together with the TIG. This will be welded in, and then it'll all be primed inside and out. Then that'll get welded on there. So I'll put up a little vid, show you this bit, and then I'll put up one when I'm done and when the floor's on its way back in the car, so you can actually see what I've done.